Bye. Bye. There, you can have fun with that.
Yes. I don't know how to do these things.
Do what you want.
Sure. The 60 FPS.
Oh yeah, love it. 60 frames per second glory. It's amazing. How was everyone, folks? Good. I was just sad.
So sad because it's so good.
Who have you been talking to?
I talked to Lucifer last night.
I was there.
You were asleep.
Who ended up winning Triple the Soup?
No one.
I had the most. They had two left. They had one left. Both of them. But whatever.
We gave up.
I was worried about Alex. She was letting him kind of cheat.
Not really.
She came back around. I was worried.
Oh yeah, it's a focus point.
She's such a sweet little girl.
Is it really?
Yeah. Right?
Oh, it somehow follows her face even though it's like it goes behind him.
Magic.
It's so hot.
It's like a garage.
Nope. It has to go like this now.
That was actually really good about working at I see that. Like an actual.
Denied.
I was going for the boot and he turned around and I'm like, oh, and then he's like, boop. I'm like,
Denied.
this should be a sport. This should be a blood sport. And he's going into the boat. Can he make it? Boop. A little bit.
Well, let's see. Try to touch my chin.
He's got a good signature on that lady.
Unfair advantage. I'm the
Daniel, quit.
You see, I'm the rookie that people look out.
Thank you. That's my baby.
Okay.
No, that's really
I got skipped. I got skipped.
Oh wait, what am I doing? I need to wait for my holiday.
One of my nerds. What are you doing?
He didn't get fired. Don't worry, you start worrying.
No, it's calmed down a little bit.
Yeah, it's not nearly as hard as it was.
Look at the mist that the car made.
Oh, yeah.
I will say this one is very good today.
Thank you.
My yellow top.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Not my nose.
No. What is she doing?
I got a pinch
Demolishing. Little tall. I didn't think you liked her.
Can I get a couple soups, please? Thank you.
I didn't think I liked rice.
I'm a mom's child.
I love her.
Everyone, shut up.
Yeah, I was like,
Oh, excuse me. Do you think you could just fill this up for me? Like the yellow sauce?
why do you need so much yellow sauce?
I use it on everything on here.
Very happy right here.
It's crazy, dude. Why does it look smoother than in real life does? I don't know.
Like, the smoke is going faster than it is moving.
I don't know. Nerd. I thought it was smoke.
Kidnap me at the airport.
Pretty awesome.
start to look like me.
One that we're gonna go see where they hang up.
Oh, the Pepsi. I'm not touching your sweet thing. That's why you got a red straw.
Thank you.
Special master Sean.
Yes, Sean.
Don't be showered today. You got rain outside. I'll take the sweet tea and the diet. That's what you guys are red. Sorry.
That's good. Be patient, child. Be patient.
Yeah, I just said the same thing. Move this stuff out of the way. Fit behind it. Not on the way.
This is my father.
That's pretty cool.
All right, ready.
Thank you.
I think I have the exposed, please. Sorry, I left my table.
No. I use that for yellow sauce.
Hey, man. That's my bowl. That's my bowl.
I know.
Javon, you hot.
What are you ordering? That was good. That was good.
Did you need a ribeye, bro?
How do you want to cook? No, he's keeping it.
Medium well.
I need for that.
I think that's a lot of yellow sauce. Right.
Don't do it. No.
I'm watching him make food on the camera.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, 54 minutes worth of camera.
And I got
How much?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, 4 hours? Oh, 54. Okay.
That's pork chop.
How do you like steak?
Medium well.
Medium well. Medium well.
Yellow. Anybody else? Anybody else? Yellow. Yellow. Nobody? I think it kind of stopped raining a little bit.
That's not much.
It's still raining.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not like it was.
You both are good.
Never.
He did it. Not me.
You started it.
See, you say you have to keep me in line.
I learned from watching you.
You're gonna get jazz boots.
Oh my god.
He's gone.
You killed it.
Mom, we told you not to do that.
That was awesome.
Watch, just like give him a minute. He's gonna go.
That was great. I'm gonna do that. You wait, cuz.
Uh-oh.
What?
It's starting to rain more now.
You have
Watch the buttermilk.
What?
The buttermilk. Like the stove.
I'll get some Indian food.
He high food. Ow. I give you
Your face would have been gone. It's called face off. No. Oh, that's it.
Ready, sir?
Laquanda. Your name is now Laquanda.
Oh, yeah, that was. Go on.
It's funny because I did like this. I got both eyes and the nose at the same time.
Plate up for it.
Thank you. I got a piece of steak.
Nice. There's a lot at stake here.
Oh, I'm sorry, your arm was there.
Oh wait, I got the stick too. You have a what? I got the stick too. Oop.
That was like really abrupt. Wow.
Fine.
Oh, your blooping ability scared me. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm taking it.
No. He had just chicken. And chicken. Yeah, I'll take it.
Mr. Patient.
Okay. Can you just fill this up for me whenever you get hers?
Sean, what did you get? What did you get? Teriyaki chicken? Yeah. Another roast.
Sorry, I like a lot. Thank you.
Ooh, open flame.
You're gonna miss the volcano.
You're a volcano. I don't know.
That's a compliment.
What?
Fat and I'm proud.
I haven't even had it for 2 days.
Like one?
Yay, the train.
What?
Everything okay?
Thank you.
Is he in heaven?
I love teriyaki chicken. I'm not even gonna lie.
Let me just see this real quick. There you go.
This is awkward.
There you go. That's all I needed.
All you needed?
While you're in heaven.
All your base belongs to me.
Everything okay?
Great.
All you faces belong to me.
Thank you.
Now we're just filming a random volcano.